Welcome to my Deku cosplay makeup tutorial featuring Tin. I think he looks amazing and we had so much fun filming this together. Before we got started, I had Tin put in his green circle lenses. To minimize the look of pores, apply primer in the center of the face, then blend out towards the edge. For a base, apply a liquid concealer in the same way. Then use a damp sponge to blend it out. I love this combination because you get full coverage without the heaviness. Apply more concealer over areas where you need extra coverage, then continue to blend. Use a small amount of concealer to prime your eyelids as well. To give the skin a soft, natural-looking glow, apply a champagne-colored cream highlight to the top of your cheeks, nose bridge, and Cupid's bow, then blend it out. Set the face with a pressed powder by carefully patting it into the skin. I love doing this with a sponge because it creates a beautiful, flawless finish. Contour your nose with a powder to add soft definition to the face. Use a sponge to further blend if necessary. Comb your eyebrows into place, then fill them in with a dark green eyeshadow that matches the color of your wig. You can also mix in a little black eyeshadow to deepen the color, but since Tin's brows are naturally dark, we didn't have to do that. Use a spoolie to blend the shadow. Then set your brows with a clear gel. Clean up the edges with concealer on a flat brush, and if necessary, soften the front of the brow with a little pressed powder. Use brown water-activated body paint on a damp stippling brush to create realistic-looking freckles on your nose and cheeks. Apply as many or as little as you'd like. Make clusters or space them out. It doesn't have to be perfect since natural freckles look different on everyone. Use a sponge to blend them in. Then use the body paint on a small detail brush to create 4 freckles in a diamond shape on both cheeks. You can place these however you want, and again, they don't have to be perfect. Carefully blend the freckles with your finger and a sponge if necessary. Blend a burgundy eyeshadow all over the lid and underneath the eye to create a sheer wash of color. Try not to blend too high above the crease, but do make sure that the edges are blended out well. Clean up and brighten the waterline with a white eyeliner pencil. Then apply the same highlight from before to the inner corner and halfway down your lower lash line. Apply clear lip balm to add shine while keeping things simple. Then finish with a setting spray. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more cosplay tutorials, and check out Tin's links in the description box below. Until next time, please take care and stay well.